Updating your legal name with Hawaii State Federal Credit Union is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your name change is processed quickly and accurately. Step 1. Gather required documents. Collect all necessary documents that prove your name change. This may include a marriage certificate, divorce decree, or court order. Ensure that these documents are official and contain your new legal name. Step 2. Visit the credit union website or to the Hawaii State Federal Credit Union website. Look for the section related to member services or account management. This section will provide information on how to update your personal details. Step 3. Complete the name change form. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Submit your request. Submit the completed name change form along with your supporting documents. You can typically do this by mailing the documents to the credit union or visiting a local branch in person. Check the website for specific submission guidelines. Step 5. Confirm the update. After submitting your request, follow up with the credit union to confirm that your name has been updated in their system. This can usually be done through a phone call or by checking your account online. Once you have completed these steps, your legal name should be updated with Hawaii State Federal Credit Union. If you have any questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to the customer service.